And we had the strikes just going one after another last round.
Online.
It's nice.
Sensors online. Weapons online. All systems nominal.
I like how we're up against Clan Wolf, but only one of them has a Clan Wolf icon.
Yeah. Echo 5.
At 25%. Target acquired.
Oh, they got long range. Wait up. Get ready to push the middle.
Target spotted.
Push through where Charlie is in 3, 2, 1. Push. Remember, Lightmax, we're going to get behind them.
We can right.
No, we're
Delta
Charlie.
5, Delta 5.
Delta 5.
New
Mediums are in
target
Delta 5.
acquired.
Which one?
All target.
Which one?
New target.
Delta, please. Hunchback.
On Delta.
On it.
I'm down.
Delta, please. Almost dead. Nova next.
Down.
Alpha. Legs on Alpha.
User joined your channel.
Right leg on him.
Echo's hurt.
This is a light, this is a
Punchy.
light.
Hunchy then. Hunchy.
Target acquired.
Echo.
New target
Golf.
acquired.
Never mind. Hotel. It's Stormcrow. Legs on him. Legs on the Stormcrow, please.
I'm almost legs. I'm almost down.
It's right leg now. Right leg.
Oh shit.
Acquired.
Yeah, you just almost killed me there.
Yeah.
Ice Ferret. Golf.
Go.
Legs on him. Legs on him.
Legs.
Where are they?
Oh. Box drives.
Or back. Get the Nova. Nova's a bigger target.
Box. Back.
Legs on Nova.
At 25%. New target acquired.
I'm legs. No.
Leg one, throw a strike on.
Right leg now. Last one.
Target acquired.
Legs on him.
Target acquired.
Nice. He's open. Visual left.
He's leg. Right leg now. If you can save the mech, save it.
Heat level
That's it.
critical.
Yeah.
8384. Nice.
We have a
Sounds
few.
like a hell of a night.
It is. 2 to zip so far.
Nice. If you need me, I'll be up above.
You want to join us? You can. We got some match.